back to another video. It is back to school season, which means it is a time of So I've created these 3 breakfast recipes for you to make your little morning routine a little bit smoother and easier, and also to make sure that you are being filled with beautiful nutrients and you are full throughout the whole day, or at least until lunch. So if you don't want to know how to make these, please keep watching. So first you're going to get out a pot, and then you're going to get out quinoa, and then just place that in there along with some cinnamon, vanilla, chia seeds, coconut sugar, and then lastly water. Next, you're just going to give that a quick stir until it's kind of combined. And then you are going to place a cover on that and put it over a medium heat for about 20 minutes. And then you can just pour that into a bowl, and you can top it with any fruit, nuts, more chia seeds, flax seeds, and whatever else you want. So next you're going to get out some dates, and then you want them to be soft, so you might need to soak them a little bit, and then you're also going to get out oats. Next, vanilla. And then the star of the show, peanut butter. And then you're just going to pulse these until it is blended well and there's like a soft dough that is formed and it's not crumbling away from each other. Then taking about maybe a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of dough, you're just going to mold that into a ball in your hands like so. And then you're just going to continue that on for the rest of the dough. And then you can refrigerate that for about a half hour to an hour, or you can just eat it right away. So you're going to get out a little blender cup, and then you're going to add in your oats. I would recommend making it into oat flour first if you don't have a high-powered blender, or if you don't, you can just put all the ingredients in it and then just blend it at once. So you're going to need cinnamon, some vanilla, baking powder, well that's soda, and then baking powder as well. Then you're also going to need 1 nice ripe banana, and then just place her in there. And then you will also need to add some water. You can use 1.5 cups to 2 cups. Use more or less depending on how thick of a pancake you want. And just pulse that until you get a smooth batter, and then I highly recommend you have a greased pan for this, and you're just going to pour it in there and then just make sure each side is a nice tannish color, or just cook on each side for 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video. Believe me.